Hey everybody, it's Jessie here. I'm with Reagan. What? I'm so happy. She's really happy because we wanted to congratulate Sam Gladiator for reaching 1 million subscribers! Yay! That was Reagan, by the way. I'm so happy! And her art,
like this day has been one of the best days ever. He used my art in one of his videos, and he hit 1 million subscribers.
Yeah.
Best day of my life.
Yeah, for her anyway. But I've been watching Sam Gladiator since my friend,
Okay, we have to go gym class then.
I think either you or Sophia showed me.
I think it was Sophia.
Yeah, because Sophia got me all caught up in like this Yandere thing, and I was like, what? What is that? And I looked it up, and I saw...
Jesse, did you know that Sam Vanish, she's actually the one who showed me his name Gladiator?
He's also a student. Yeah, but
She said she really liked him, and she said that I should watch him. And I just started watching.
Watch him?
Oh, that's the wrong way.
No, what?
I know. So anyways, yeah guys. Watch the... Congratulations, Sam Gladiator. Hope you watch this video and like and subscribe it.
Also,
Yeah.
follow me on Twitter. It's GoodReagan or Twitter. And then you'll see a bunch of art from me. And
Yeah, and I can actually okay, the creepy band, okay, go to Sam Gladiator, Tokyo Soul, episode 23, the creepy band. And if you watch it, you'll find her art. It's called Good Reagan.
yeah, there's literally just a GoodReagan at the bottom.
Yeah. So look at that, and yeah. So hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys check out his channel. He is awesome. So happy. A lot of people I know love his channel.
Even surprisingly, Clara even likes him.
I know, and she likes Afma too. So
I was like, okay, girl, we need to be friends now. I mean,
Yeah.
we're already friends, but we don't really talk that much.
no, about nothing. But she likes Afma too. So I.
She likes Afma.
Yeah, you didn't know.
Nice. I can see you.
I told her.
I can see your butt cheeks.
Oh my God! What are you wearing?
Wearing a ding-a-ma-ding-a-ma-ding-a-ma.
It's called a thong.
No, it's a gym uniform, actually.
Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.